Welcome to Gubba Garden Sheds. In this video, I'll explain some of the key features of the Keter range of sheds. These sheds are made from recycled wood and plastic composite panels called Duotec. This construction is maintenance and corrosion-free, ideal for coastal environments. Duotec panels look great, and if you want to change the colour, the walls and doors can be painted. They have been engineered from the flooring up as a premium shed and feature unique locking door systems with double doors on every model. Internally, there's a powder-coated steel frame for extra strength and high ceilings for more storage room and a sense of space. You can see we have a few Keter models on display here. The range comes in 3 styles: Newton, Artisan and Oakland, giving you a selection of models to fit most locations. There's nothing worse than a leaky shed. Designed to be supremely weather resistant, these sheds will withstand snow loads you're unlikely to see in NZ. The double-walled construction adds a layer of insulation, minimising condensation. Tongue and groove wall joins and built-in ventilation all ensure a super dry shed. Supplied in a ready-to-go kit set with extremely detailed instructions for DIY, or we can organise installation and delivery at your place. One thing to be aware of is the Keter sheds need to be built on a perfectly level and square foundation. We've built timber subfloors here on our display yard as the concrete's slightly sloping. This is something we can organise for you or advise on. There's heaps more I could show you, but it may be quicker to check out our website where you can configure and order your shed online. But if you want to take an even closer look, come and see us at 4 Parkhead Place, Rosedale on Auckland's North Shore. We have a shed load of sheds.